Are you ready to rumble in the vacation rental management world? Because today, we're pitting Guesty against Hospitable in a head-to-head battle to crown the ultimate champion for your short-term rental business. First, let's dissect their core features. Guesty shines with its enterprise-level automation, offering advanced tools for managing large portfolios. Think automated task assignments and in-depth financial reporting. On the other hand, Hospitable wins hearts with its user-friendly interface and robust guest communication features, focusing on personalized messaging and streamlined support. Channel management is crucial, right? Guesty boasts extensive integrations across major platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, and Booking.com, allowing for seamless synchronization of listings and availability. Hospitable also integrates with these platforms, but its strength lies in its direct booking website builder, enabling you to cut out the middleman and boost your profit margins. Now, let's talk money. Guesty typically employs a percentage-based commission model, scaling with your revenue. Hospitable offers tiered pricing based on the number of properties you manage, making it potentially more predictable for smaller businesses. Carefully consider your portfolio size and revenue to determine which model aligns best with your budget. User experience matters. Guesty users often praise its comprehensive feature set and scalability, while Hospitable users rave about its ease of use and exceptional customer support. Check out reviews on sites like Capterra and G2 to get real-world insights. So, who wins? Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs. If you manage a large portfolio and need advanced automation, Guesty might be your champion, but if you prioritize user-friendliness, guest communication, and a predictable pricing structure, Hospitable could be the winner. Do your research, take advantage of free trials, and choose the platform that will truly elevate your short-term rental management strategy.